How to install the official build of Pixel Experience Plus or Normal Edition based on Android 12 on the Poco X3 Pro. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the official build of Pixel Experience Plus or Normal Edition based on Android 12 on the Poco X3 Pro. Now do note we are going to install the beta build, which is the latest at the time of recording this video, but if and when stable builds come out, the process will remain the same for both the normal and the Plus edition. Now what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to have a custom recovery installed. How do you unlock the bootloader? How do you install a custom recovery? Videos for those can be found in the description of this video. Next thing, make sure your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not, and I repeat, do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device, because we are going to perform a format data and you are going to lose all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. The first thing we need to do is we need to remove all our accounts and security measures. So if you're running MIUI, you will go into settings and then you will go into password and security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Once that is done, go back, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Once that is done, go back, go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. Those of you who are running custom ROMs based on AOSP, you can go into settings, security, again same process, remove your fingerprint, face unlock pin, and then you can go into settings, passwords and accounts and remove your Google accounts. Now once you've removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. Why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We're doing this because we are going from one ROM to another and I don't want you to be locked out of your own device. Then what are the files which you need to install the official build of Pixel Experience based on Android 12 on your Poco X3 Pro? Well, you need the firmware file, and as you can see I am using the firmware of 12.0.5.0 because at the time of recording this video there is news that 12.5 firmware or 12.5 ROM is hard breaking the Poco X3 Pro. Now if anything with that respect changes, it will be mentioned in the pinned comment. Then you also need the ROM itself. So this here is Pixel Experience, and again we are using the beta, but do note this is the official build and the process will remain the same if and when the Plus edition comes out, and the ROM has your vendor, system and Google Apps. Everything is baked into this one file. Next thing we need to do is we need to boot into our custom recovery. So first of all, turn off your device, and once the device is turned off, we can press and hold power and volume up together till you see the recovery logo. So turn off your device and then press and hold power and volume up together till you see the recovery logo. And here it is, we have the team win splash image, which means our device is booting into TWRP recovery now. Do not touch drivers, take some time to load. You might be stuck at the splash screen for a few seconds. It might turn off, press the power button, swipe to unlock, and we are good to go. Now do note, at the time of recording this video, we are using TWRP 3.6.0, which does not, and I repeat, does not support Android 12 encryption. So if you are on a ROM which is based on Android 12, you will have to use a USB OTG, unfortunately. But again, if and when that changes, which should be pretty soon, that will be mentioned in the pinned comment on this video. First of all, go into wipe, advanced wipe, Talvik, data and cache, and then swipe to wipe. Once that is done, tap on the home button, go into install. Now me personally, I am running Android 11 right now, so I can access my internal storage. As I mentioned earlier, if you're running Android 12, you might not be able to access your internal storage. You will need USB OTG, and once you connect that or using micro SD, tap on select storage and select the appropriate option over here. Now in my case, all the files are in the download folder, and the first file which we need to select is the firmware for Vayu. So we're going to select the firmware, add more zips, select the ROM itself, and this here is the official build of Pixel Experience based on Android 12 for the Poco X3 Pro. Vayu or Bhima doesn't make a difference. Once you have selected the two files, swipe to confirm flash. Now once all the files have flashed successfully, we need to scroll up, make sure there were no errors. So here it is, we are flashing the firmware file, and if you scroll down you will notice script succeeded, result was 1. This means there were no errors. Next up, we are flashing official build of Pixel Experience, and this of course is based on Android 12. Android version here is 12. Devices Vayu, again Vayu Bhima does not make a difference, and as you can see, script succeeded, result was 1. Then we're going to tap on the home button, go into wipe, format data, type in yes, tap on the check mark on the bottom right. Do note format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. So again, make sure you have a backup of all those things. Once format data has finished, all you need to do is select reboot system. And there it is. We do have the Google boot animation on our Poco X3 Pro, which means our device is booting into the official build of Pixel Experience based on Android 12. Now, the first boot up might take some time, so you have to be patient. And here it is. Welcome to your Pixel. And let me skip the initial setup real quick. And there it is, we have successfully booted into Pixel Experience. Dark theme is enabled out of the box, and you do have this pretty cool looking green accent color. But let us go into settings and display, and we can disable dark theme so that it is easier on the eyes. And then we can go into about phone, and herein if I tap on the Android version, bam, here it is. Android version of course is 12. We can see if the Easter egg is working or not. So let us go to 12 o'clock on this clock, and bam, there it is, Android 12 Easter egg in the building. Build is Pixel Experience, of course official, and beta, which is the latest at the time of recording this video. And there it is, peeps. That is how you install the official build of Pixel Experience normal or plus edition based on Android 12 on your Poco X3 Pro. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.